Hey, what's up? Welcome back to our channel. Now, if you ever been stuck with a dead car battery, you know how frustrating that can be. That's why today we're diving into the essential tips you'll need to know when buying a jump starter. We'll be taking a closer look at three popular models: the Duralast 800, the Schumacher J1332, and the Michelin Powerstation. Now, speaking of power station, please power up my station by subscribing. So let's get started. So the first thing that you want to consider is the power and the amps of the jump starter. The Schumacher J1332, for example, provides a powerful 1200 amps, making it suitable for a wide range of vehicles. And the Michelin Powerstation also have its unique power output along with the Duralast 800. Ensure the jump starter that you choose can handle the requirements of your vehicle. Now, not all vehicles have the same type of battery, and it is crucial to choose a jump starter that is compatible with your vehicle's battery type. The Michelin Powerstation and the Schumacher 1332 along with the Duralast all are versatile and can often work with various battery types, including lead acid and AGM batteries. Looking for additional features can enhance your jump starter's experience. The Schumacher J1332, for instance, comes with USB ports for charging your devices on the go, as well as other outlets for allowing you to have power. The Michelin Powerstation, on the other hand, includes an air compressor for inflating tires. So consider these extras based on your specific needs. Portability matters, especially if you're on the road frequently. The Duralast 800, the Schumacher 1332, and the Michelin Powerstation are all designed with portability in mind. But you'll notice of the three, the smaller footprint would be the Duralast 800. And of course, this also has the least amount of cranking power. So you want to check the size and the weight of the jump starter to ensure it's convenient for you to carry and store in your vehicle. Now, speaking of convenience, please hit that like button at your convenience. Now, safety should always be a top priority. The Duralast 800, the Schumacher, and the Michelin comes equipped with safety features such as reverse polarity protection and overcharge protection. These features help to prevent accidents and ensure a smooth jump starting process. Now, a link for all three of these for a full review will be in the description below. Choosing the right jump starter can save you a lot of hassle during those unexpected moments. Whether you go for the Duralast 800 or the Schumacher 1332 or the Michelin Powerstation, make sure that you consider power, battery compatibility, additional features, portability, and safety. If you found value in these helpful tips, don't forget to give me a thumbs up and help a tech brother out by hitting that subscribe button down below. And in the comment section, let me know, do you have a jump starter for this winter? And if so, which one do you have and why you like it? Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in our next video.